SpaceX's Starship makes a dramatic splash. Witness the incredible video of the Charred spacecraft's landing in the Indian Ocean after a Triumphant Flight Test 11. This week's launch showcased the mighty Starship's final moments before its ocean landing, leaving spectators in awe. On October 13th, the 397-foot-tall, 121-meter-tall rocket embarked on its 11th test flight from SpaceX's Starbase in South Texas. This marked the last journey for the current Super Heavy booster and ship upper stage configuration, as a taller version is set to debut on the upcoming Starship Flight 12. Flight Test 11 exceeded expectations, outperforming its predecessor from the 10th flight. SpaceX released stunning footage revealing the spacecraft's resilience, showcasing minimal damage and discoloration compared to the previous flight. The mission achieved all objectives, from launch to booster descent and splashdown in the Gulf, and the ship's graceful landing in the Indian Ocean. This success marks the second consecutive test flight where Starship met all SpaceX's goals, a significant milestone in its development. But here's where it gets interesting. The spacecraft deployed 8 simulated Starlink satellites and executed a Raptor engine relight in space. However, this flight diverged from Flight 10's profile with modified engine burn patterns, a crucial step towards the rocket's upgraded version 3. The final descent was a spectacle, with the upper stage's landing burn differing from previous flights. This time, it emulated the maneuver required for a return to the launch site, where the rocket's tower is designed to capture Starship mid-air during landing. SpaceX's drone and buoy cameras captured the breathtaking descent through the clouds, showcasing the unique flip-and-burn maneuver that gracefully positioned the spacecraft upright for landing. And this is the part that has space enthusiasts buzzing. The Starship's development is a testament to SpaceX's innovation, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in space exploration. But with great power comes great responsibility. As SpaceX continues to refine its technology, the question arises, how will these advancements impact the future of space travel and exploration? Will they revolutionize space tourism or lead to new scientific discoveries? The possibilities are endless, and the debate is sure to spark passionate discussions. Stay tuned for more space adventures, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below.